apps affairs show you
How to turn off activity status or online status on Instagram. So if you don't want to show your activity status to your followers and friends on Instagram, here's how to turn off it. Go to your Instagram profile page, tap on this menu icon, tap on settings and privacy. Here scroll down. Under how others can interact with you section, you'll find messages and story replies. Tap on that and tap on show activity status. If you want to disable only show when you are active together option, then disable this option. Or if you want to turn off your active status completely, then turn off this show activity status option. When these turn off, you won't be able to see the activity status of other accounts, and the same way others account won't be able to see your active status. This is how we can turn off it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.